7 pi by 19 plus cos 12 pi by 19 plus cos 16 pi by 19 equal to 0. Prove that tan 55 equal to cos 10 plus sin 10 over cos 10 minus sin 10. And third question is, if cos theta equal to minus 5 by 13 and tan phi equal to 4 by 3, where theta and phi belongs to second and third quadrant respectively, find the quadrant in which theta minus phi lies. Answer is third quadrant. Now we will discuss multiple and submultiple angles. Multiple angles, an angle of the form 2a, 3a, 4a, etc. are called multiple angles of A. Now we will discuss trigonometric ratios of 2a in terms of A. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. We will try to understand this formula on table. Formula of sin 2a, it is 2 sin a cos a. That one can understand easily, as sin 2a one can write as sin of a plus a, and applying addition formula, so we can write sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Here alpha and beta both are a, that is sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, that is 2 sin a cos a. Similarly, formula of cos 2a, that one can write as cos of a plus a, that is cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So we are getting cos square a minus sin square a. If you want to find in terms of cos, so we can replace sin by cos, that is cos square a minus 1 minus cos square a. So we are getting 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to cos 2a. We are getting cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. And cos 2a is, the formula is cos square a minus sin square a. Now replace in terms of sin. So cos square a we can replace by sin square, 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a, that is 1 minus 2 sin square a equal to cos 2a. So 1 2 sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a. So sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. If you see, the formula of cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. On left hand side angle is a, on right hand side we are getting double angle. And similarly we are getting the formula sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by a. On left hand side is angle is a and right hand side is angle is 2a. If cos, then formula is we are getting plus. If sin, then we are getting minus. The formula is sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Formula of cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a, that is cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. That one can write as 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. Cos 2a, that we can convert in terms of sin, so we are getting 1 minus 2 sin square a. So 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sin square a. Okay, we stop here. As you know, we had discussed in this session, we had discussed multiple angle formula. Next time we will continue the presentation. Next time we will continue the topic. Thank you.